I'm Lauren and welcome back to Mix Shin Roll. Today we'll be making 4-ingredient peanut butter cookies. Let's get started. First you need to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now we're going to start on our cookie dough. So you need peanut butter, an egg, and some sugar. So first we're going to get our peanut butter and we're going to put it into a cup. I have a cup. So you can do half a cup, or no, you can't do half a cup. You can do like 2 cups and then use 2 eggs. But it's always the same amount of peanut butter as it is sugar. So we're almost there. There we go. Cup of peanut butter. So now we're gonna put that in our bowl. Okay. And now we're going to just I'm gonna get a spoon and I'm just gonna fill this with some sugar. You can use the same measuring thing because it's all going in the bowl, so it's fine. So I'm gonna do this. Oh! We got the whole sugar situation fixed. So we have the peanut butter bowl and we have a cup of sugar. We're gonna put that in our bowl and we have 1 egg. And some vanilla. So you could do 3-ingredient, but I just like vanilla. It just tastes so good. So I just used a cap and it's about a teaspoon. And I'm gonna mix that up. So, our oven just preheated, and I have the peanut butter cookie dough, and it's not really doughy, like you can touch it, so you have to use your spoon and scoop it. So I have this other spoon too. So I have this pan with a mat, and I'm gonna add this onto this silicone mat. So yeah, these are kind of like normal like cookie size, like balls-ish. So we're just gonna scoop them on the pan like this. So I'm gonna keep scooping. This probably makes what, like maybe like 20 little or like 15. So yes, so I'm gonna pop these in the oven for 10 minutes. They're almost done. Okay guys, so the cookies are finished baking, and they look amazing. I'm gonna cook a few more batches and then I'll come right back to you guys. Okay guys, so I finished making the peanut butter cookies and they're so good. It made around 20 to 25 and I used all the batter. Also you could double it. You could do 2 cups of peanut butter, 2 cups of sugar, and 2 eggs. You also could do that. And they're so good. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for more videos.